Hi guys, thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to be reviewing another Gel X dupe method kit, and this is by Clara Colors on Amazon. Last time I checked, it was listed as $19.99, and I had never heard of the brand before, but I was super excited as always to try something new out. They were advertised as pre-etched soft gel tips, and for the price I was super pumped about it. It comes with this nail file, and I love this color. I think it's very cute, kind of old school, but it still did its job. So it comes with this nail lamp that I almost detest now. It's just not ergonomical. I think the cord is too short, but it's fine. The kit also comes with this soft gel tip adhesive, and I like how well packaged it was. I think it's really important to do that for liquids. But on the back, it does say to apply your base before applying this adhesive. Personally, I like to buy kits that are concise, and I like to have kits that are fluid with their products. So if it requires a base coat, then I would like for the kit to also have a base coat. But that's just me, and that's just my personal opinion. So these are the gel tips that I was super excited about. They're medium coffin length, and there are 10 sizes. Unfortunately, the smallest size did not fit my pinky, and so when I sized them out, it kind of gave me ogre vibes, but it's all right. This is the biggest size. It's a 0, and the cuticle area is definitely much more thin, and you are definitely able to have it more flush to your nail rather than your typical ABS plastic nail where you have to file it down to make it smooth. The free edge of this tip is way harder than the cuticle, and the etching, the pre-etched on here is marvelous. So I'm bending it every which way I can, as hard as I can, and as you can see, it kind of just springs back up, not really creasing. So I was really pumped about that. I also love the length of these nails. Yes, it says medium coffin on it, but it is, to me, really medium coffin. Oh my gosh. Okay, so the back of the kit actually also calls for tip primer. Like, hello, primer. And they even have this cute curing lamp. Like, look at how cute that thing is. I would pay a little bit more money to have that lamp than this rinky-dink one. Like, come on guys. Anyway, we're gonna start with Model 1's primer because they didn't give us a Clara Colors primer here, and Miss Clara also did not give us a base gel, so I just used whatever I had. Wow, I sound really salty, but maybe that's because I am. Anyway, I am applying the rest of my nails here, nail tips, and as for the kit, I think it's okay. I love the fact that it's pre-etched and what I believe to be true soft gel tips. As far as the packaging goes and what the contents of the kit, I'm obviously a little salty that it wasn't complete. I feel like they could have tried harder. They literally could have tried harder by supplying a proper nail lamp. Like, y'all knew that y'all had a nail lamp. Why did you give us this one? As for the tap test and the cut test, they passed those. And moving along, the nail set that I did is using Beetle's nail foil glue, and I think it's their nail foil itself, but I have to double check. And this color that I got from AliExpress, it's like a jelly color that I used with a heavy hand in order to get that rich chocolate brown color. If you do a light sheer coat as a base coat and just kind of do a light second coat over top of it, I think it's also a beautiful jelly brown. But because this look had deeper colors for the foil that I'll be using, I decided to just go ahead and make it as opaque as possible. But either way, as sheer or as opaque as you want to make it, this color is phenomenal. For the rest of the video, I'll leave you guys to it. Thanks.